Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to expand storage on your XIAOMI F Pro TV. To do that, you have to navigate to Settings. In Settings, open Applications menu. And now, there are many things that we can do in this menu. For example, we can enable automatic offload so that unused applications on our TV will offload themselves automatically every once in a while in order to free up some space. Besides, we can clear all applications caches by selecting this one option, then just click confirm, and this way you will free up all the cached data from your apps. Besides, if you go to manage installed applications, you can select an application from this list, and then you can either uninstall it, you can offload it, you can clear its data, or you can clear its cache in order to free up space on your device. And so that's basically it. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.